Okay, I'm sick as a dog. I told Sean I'd bring him some Lemsip. But I think I'm gonna use it all because I'm so sick and my foot hurts. Anyways, I'm here in Fort William now. I'm just coming out of the Morrisons. Get some snacks. I'm gonna take the Jacobite train today. It took me 2.5 hours to get here. And do you know when you drive, when you're a little kid and you thought your parents drove, you know, like this? That's how I was driving. It was bananas. It was kind of like driving through the interior, right? It kind of looks like Kimberley sort of area, like Canmore, Banff. Not so much Banff actually, more like Canmore and like foothills sort of stuff. So yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna go in and have a snack now. I've got time before the Jacobite train comes. Okay, I'll see you later. There it is. There's the Harry Potter train. I gotta find where my carriage is. I'm in coach F because every other seat was taken. I don't know though, there's not too many people here. There's A. There's E. A. Where's F? Is F down there? I don't know where I'm going. I got time. It doesn't leave for another 45 minutes. Let's see. It's down here. Yep, there's Bonnie Prince Charlie.
Yeah, he's down there.
There it is.
You might better get a better look over your left, over the top of the seat here.
Oh, trees in the way.
You want to look over there?
Yeah.
The other window.
There's a train going around.
There you go.
Yeah.
They're going to push us uphill.
Into the trees again.
I missed that.
With another tunnel.
Wouldn't that be lovely?
Oh, no, coming up. Yeah, coming up.
Somebody's shouting up with front end.
I told you that's the house he's living in.
Don't worry, he's too.
Must be here, though.
No, he's not here.
Yeah.
That far, it'll be.
Now, here he
There